Electrolysis is the process where electricity is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Two electrodes called the anode and cathode are connected to a battery and play a crucial role in the process. Because water is not a good conductor, let's add a bit of sulfuric acid. This will allow electricity to flow through water, acting as an electrolyte. Now let's go deeper into the anode. The anode is an electrode that is positively charged. Because of this, it attracts negatively charged molecules such as oxygen. As it attracts negatively charged molecules, they pull in the electrons. Since electrons are negatively charged, the positive side of the battery pulls in the electrons all the way into the cathode and will be stored for later. The end product is oxygen. The cathode is an electrode that is negatively charged. Due to this property, the cathode attracts positive molecules such as hydrogen. As it attracts positively charged molecules, the cathode pushes out the electrons into the water molecules. The end products are hydrogen molecules. So, this is basically the process of electrolysis during both the cathode and anode reactions happening at the same time. The cathode is where oxidation occurs and oxygen is produced. Oxidation is the loss of electrons. The anode is where reduction occurs and hydrogen is produced. Reduction is the gain of electrons. During electrolysis, there are 2 times more hydrogen gas formed than oxygen.
Now let's look at the half reactions of electrolysis in more depth. In the reduction of hydrogen, one electron is added into the hydrogen atom, causing it to separate from the water molecule, forming hydrogen gas. This is the equation. During the oxidation of oxygen, 2 electrons get added into the water molecule into the oxygen atom, causing the oxygen to separate and form oxygen gas. This is the equation. Also, water is a covalent compound. Now, let's combine the half reactions to get our full equation. We have to multiply the reduction equation by 2 in order to get 4 electrons on both sides. By canceling out the electrons and combining the elements together, we can simplify our equation. This type of reaction is a decomposition reaction. This is the unbalanced equation, and it doesn't work since the reactant side only have 1 oxygen, while the product side has 2. Now the equation is balanced.
Application of electrolysis. Electrolysis can be used in many ways. For example, water electrolysis is used to produce oxygen for the International Space Station. When astronauts go into space, they need oxygen, and they do this through electrolysis. For electrolysis to occur, it requires water. In space, the space station's water recycling system produces pure drinking water from wastewater, sweat, and urine, and they use this water for electrolysis. Using this process, astronauts can split the water molecules, oxygen and hydrogen, apart from each other, and the oxygen is used for breathing. The leftover hydrogen can be combined with carbon dioxide that astronauts breathe out to produce water, which then can be recycled for the cycle again.